Now, the following questions were asked by nail professionals both in the United States and Canada, and they ask within really a few weeks of each other. How important is it to use the correct ratio when mixing disinfectant solutions? And will too much or too little water not properly clean the implements? Also, do ultrasonic devices help with any better cleanup of the implements? First, to answer this question, I want to repeat what I said in the last answer. Disinfection and cleaning are two different things. Disinfectants don't clean, they disinfect. And to make them effective, the implement must be pre-cleaned using a cleaner. Residual debris or surface contaminants can block disinfectants from reaching down to the pathogens and killing them. So this is why it's very important that these surface contaminants or residual debris must be removed. And it's important not to confuse these words or these tasks because both must be done properly, not just one or the other. All implements and other surfaces must be cleaned before they can be properly disinfected or sterilized. It's important, now to answer your question, it's important to add the exact amount of disinfectant solution to water, or the solution will not be as effective. Now, this means that it has to be properly measured and not estimated, and certainly not measured by the eye. Either too much or too little water can lower the effectiveness of a disinfectant. The amount of water that's added to a salon disinfectant is precisely determined by testing. Different amounts of water are tested to determine the exact amount of water that's needed to achieve the maximum effectiveness for that particular disinfectant. And no, more disinfectant is not better. In other words, making a stronger disinfectant solution doesn't make it more powerful. In fact, it can lower the effectiveness of that solution. This is why it's so important to properly blend and to properly measure. A common example of this would be isopropyl alcohol, which is also known as rubbing alcohol. 70% rubbing alcohol is more effective at killing pathogens than 99% alcohol. So again, the stronger doesn't make it better. And also, making a solution too strong or too weak can make the disinfectant solution more likely to dull or rust implements. And this can also increase pitting or corrosion of the exposed surfaces. Pitting and corrosion can make a pedicure basin or other implements more difficult to clean. They allow pathogens to hide in these pits or corroded areas, hide from disinfectant solutions, and lower their effectiveness. Ultrasonic cleaners, they use high-frequency sound wave to enhance the effectiveness of whatever cleaning solution is being used. Ultrasonic devices can help ensure that implements are clean before they're disinfected or sterilized. However, these devices should not be used to replace cleaning with a scrub brush, liquid soap, and running water, since using these are the very best way to ensure your implements are properly clean, and they'll work a lot better than an ultrasonic cleaner will work. After you properly clean, an ultrasonic cleaner may dislodge some debris that could be hidden in a pivot point, for instance, in a nipper, someplace where a brush couldn't reach. So they do have some usefulness, but they are not needed to make a disinfectant work. And I've not seen any evidence at all that ultrasonic cleaners make disinfectants work any better.